What's good, guys? Before the video starts, I want to tell you guys we already created a new channel where we're going to be getting you guys through all the processes we use to shoot the videos. It's like a behind the scene, but we're going to be reacting to the videos and you're going to be seeing it right there. So I just uploaded a video over there so y'all can go check it out and subscribe, so when I upload a reaction video y'all can see it, okay? The link will be in the description below right there, and that's just basically it. Enjoy the video.
You know I almost feel bad for you. This is not just metal they filled your head with.
It's bullshit. I was beginning to like you two, you know that? Oh well. What's the problem, boys? Does it hurt? Must be hard being so human. You see that?
If we work together, we can hurt him.
You're right. Time to work as a team.
There's two of us and one of him.
I'll take a punch and let you land one.
I'll do the same. Got your back, brother.
And I got yours. Let's go and plug this sumbitch. Here comes the kryptonite!
You came into my life just like another season. Not for long, just a time, just like another season. Maybe this time next year you'll